Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to take a couple minutes and show you how you can start your own sweet potato slips at home. Now there's different ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the way that I do it. And I know this, why in the world does she have this bottle in here? To keep my sweet potatoes from falling over. So I just sacrificed a bottle to keep them in there. Basically what I did was I just chose out some sweet potatoes from what I had from last year and put them in here, and I have water in here, and the reason the water is brownish is because when I add water, I put a little bit of powdered humic minerals, and that gives some nourishment to the potatoes while they're in the water, because you know, water doesn't really have much nourishment, it's just water. So anyway, the potatoes in the box that I had them in were beginning to get the little sprouts on them, the little eyes, and they were quite small whenever I first started, smaller than this even. And that's the end that, you know, it wants to sprout from. That's the end that you leave out, and the other end you put down in the water. And when you do that, then they will begin to produce roots like that. And so you leave that in the water, and when these little shoots get tall enough, which tall enough is about like this, I guess that's probably 7 or 8 inches or so, then I break those off, and there on that end it will begin to produce roots, just like the potato itself did. And I try to set them in. It's kind of hard because I'm not actually looking at it, I'm looking at the screen. Anyway, I set them so that they're upright and they don't fall down in the water. This one here, you see, it needs to get probably 3 times that length, and it'll actually begin to produce some tiny little roots even before you put it in the water. But when you break these off and put them in the water, they produce roots. We're in North Dakota right now, so it's still too cold at night to plant these. And I've never tried planting sweet potatoes in North Dakota yet. So I shall do that this year and, you know, see what happens. I've grown them Alabama, Kentucky, and they did just great. So once these produce some roots, the little sprouts produce some roots, then I'm gonna put them in little cups and root them out even further, let them grow and get good and strong and healthy. And then, like today, I have them outside in the shade. It's very warm outside today. It's probably, I'd say, at least 75, maybe in the sun pushing 85 today. So I have them in the shade so they're not too stressed. And then once it starts warming up at night, then I'll actually take these, and maybe I can show you later how what I do is I pull up a hill in the garden, and then I have a special type of black plastic that I put down to kind of keep the weeds out, because once they start really vining out, you can't really weed them. And I don't like a lot of weeds growing up in my sweet potatoes. So maybe I'll show that a little bit later, but this is just a little quick video of how you can start your own sweet potato sprouts. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time.